Hello friends, we are back with our brand new episode, our YouTube channel, The Apne Show.
Today we are going to unbox Hugpuppy Smart Band.
Yay! Wow!
So let's start unboxing it.
Wow, Abhi, the box looks very great.
So should we start unboxing it?
Yay!
So let's open this box. So
Wow, Abhi, what is this?
this is the charger. This is the device. And this is the strap. And there is a user manual guide too. I'll show it to you. See, this is a user manual guide.
Whoa, that looks very cool.
So let's charge it. So you will have to put it in the strap like this. For charging it, you will have to remove it and insert this charger just like this, and you have to put it into the power adapter and you have to put it in the socket and turn on the switch. See, it's charging. There's theme. There are many themes like this theme and this theme and this theme. And there is a shut option. See, to go on the other option, to go on yes, you just have to click it one time. And for pressing one thing, you have to press it for 3 seconds. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about Hugpuppy Smart Band or Fitpro Smart Band, leave them in the comment section down below and we will try to answer them. Bye!